Alright, so track day got canceled. If you've seen my other Instagram video and all that stuff, that was supposed to originally be like a legit event with like my buddy hosting it and media companies and everything, that got rescheduled to July, but I still wanted to go today, June 11th, to see what my car could do. And I was gonna head out with Mikey Turbos and another buddy of his, Alex, with another Fiat 500 Abarth, the Phase 3 Eurocompulsion bigger turbo. But I called Island Dragway and it got rained out. But we're not gonna do nothing. We're gonna meet up with Mikey Turbos. He's bringing out the Alfa Romeo 4C. We're gonna go out to dinner. I have Bonnie here, my girlfriend. We're gonna go. Say hello.
Hello.
So yeah, we're cruising out. Mikey, I believe, is like, we're supposed to meet there at 6:30 and it's like 6:12, but I think he's already there. His 4C definitely pushing some power. He got there quick. So we're gonna meet him there. We're going to Hula Hands. They got a pretty banging French dip, remember that?
Yeah, delicious.
I don't know what we're gonna get. French dip, maybe a
Filet mignon.
filet mignon, filet de mignon. So the night didn't go as planned, but we're still gonna do something out of it. Get to meet Mikey in person and one of his two cars. The Alfa just looks so damn good in photos, and he cleaned it this morning too, so it's gonna look nice. You've seen it.
Mm-hmm.
It looks sexy. So that should be fun.
I like yours better.
The 124? I gotta whisper. Shh, I like the 124. He was looking at getting a 124 before he got the Alfa. The Alfa's nice. It's got a very Ferrari-inspired rear end. And then the front looks a lot like the other. Well, they kind of have that grille that's very, you know, Alfa Romeo. The Giulia has a similar look to it and whatnot.
I take my Mazda out of all of them.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Boom! Shots fired. West is what, the first, the second? Yeah, Asado.
That shit was banging.
Yeah.
Next time he's gotta come right here.
Alright.
Down the street. You have to go right here.
Okay.
It's a turn, so. Well.
Okay, so we have a stopper. We can't do a normal thing, even though they're in the other lane, so I can go. What's going on over there?
Holy shit. It's a fucking really bad car accident.
That was like a truck. Like a pickup truck, yeah.
The hood was completely like.
Some more cops heading over there. Cops are busy on that side of town.
What is going on?
I don't fucking know. People can't drive.
Oh.
All right.
We told him the right hula hands, right?
I sent him the one in Parsippany. And you put the one in Parsippany, right?
I think so. As we hit traffic.
Yeah. I guess it's about that time.
What if we're being catfished right now?
Catfish? Yo, Mikey he's all over the internet. He ain't a catfisher.
Maybe we think it's Mikey, but
Someone hacked his account and hacked his phone.
They're gonna kill us when we get there.
Vroom, vroom. Mikey Catfish Turbos.
We'll say
is it
never
this
meet
right here?
people. Yes. You should never meet
What the
people
fuck is this car doing?
off
He's
the
like, oh, I'm trying to be up my
interwebs.
ass.
He's telling you to go all the way.
Dumbass. Look at this guy.
He's just riding everyone's ass.
Yeah. He was going right, trying to go around me before I even had an open lane to go right. See a little kid sticking his head out the window. You like my car?
What?
There's a kid sticking his head out the window looking back.
Still?
No, now he put his head back in. Oh, I just saw his hand. Oh, there's his head again. You don't see it? His head's literally out the whole entire window. Oh, now he's throwing random shit out the window. Invisible stuff.
Okay.
Go right.
Yeah, that way.
Freaking weird roads around here.
It's like really convenient.
Is it close to here?
1 minute away.
Oh damn! On this road, or we gotta turn around again?
I don't know.
Whatever. I'm just curious. Oh wow, it's right there. All right. So he should be outside already. We should be seeing his 4-seat showing, bright red. Play with the shifter. Play with the shifter. Play with the shifter. It's a habit. I always do it. See an Alfa Romeo. Oh, yep. There it is.
Ready to get catfished?
We have arrived.
Come over here.
2 hours later.
Oh, bald spider.
Patrick!
Now I just don't say Patrick. Well, don't say Patrick because I'm not Irish.
Pasquale!
Pasquale, sorry. We're gonna get a cold start from Pasquale's 124 bald spider. I have you on my phone. You know what you're on my phone is? Well, besides Mikey Turbo, besides that, there's a snail by you. I got the. That's funny. For the turbo, not because it's slow, because of the turbo.
No, it's because you're slow. It's because you're slow.
All right, hit it. I guess it's kind of warm. Still warm?
Sounds nice.
That sounds good. What RPM was that? 2.5. 3. That was only 3K? That was, yeah, barely. That sounds good. But right now, that was 3. Before it was probably 2.5. That's 3. It had like nice burbles. Yeah, that's why I love the burbles too. They smell like, I always say, it's almost like a crackle or like a breakup in the exhaust. Once it warms up, I get the pops and bangs. Do you have?
I do have.
You got the full blown pops? So that'll be a nice comparison.
Not full blown. I don't think I went full blown pop.
All right, let's get a cold start. Wait, can I show the front of the car to you yet or no?
No.
Well, all right, I won't show the front.
Go ahead.
All right, 6 feet away, give or take. Cold start. Woo! That's loud. That is loud. That is loud. Making my shit sound quiet as hell. And this is what, a high flow cab, right?
Yeah.
Right, a little smoky there.
Yeah, I know. They don't want to be there.
Puff the magic of Barth. That's a nice sound though. When you go decad on the Fiats, it's too loud.
Way too loud.
It's way too loud.
You're on mid gear.
Mine's a high flow cab as well, but it sounds so much different than this.
When we went to Tail the Dragon, I had countless everywhere.
Bro, driving with him for 11 hours.
I think I was the loudest there. I was the loudest there. I wanted to move on.
Yeah. But I gotta say though.
how beefy the tire is too.
I think that steering wheel is
That is clean. She's got to get the sauce.
make it look like
Alright. Alright guys, I love the way the Alfa sounds. I really do, but I just don't like the way the exhaust looks. That's it. That's all. They look like soda cans. That's what I call them. But let's get a cold start. No sexy way of getting rid of the car. It's actually warm. It's not cold. Oh man, there's no sexy way of getting out of this car either. But yeah, the stop is off the wall. I don't like that. That's how that is.
Not too bad. It's right after the shift when you go, when you start taking off again. All right. Good night. Oh look, S2000. Oh man, this weather is crazy. Oh, and I had the air on. The other guy, Alex, unfortunately, he's not boosting, so he can't have fun. His car's only hitting 5 pounds of boost. So yeah, that burger was crazy. Freaking burger meat and pulled pork on the same damn bun. That was crazy. I was not expecting that.
Alright, so I guess we didn't get catfished.
You gotta see how those videos came out. The cold starts.
Warm starts.
Yeah, it was more of a warm start because,
All
you
of
know.
them. Besides,
yeah.
Alex's sounded loud. Yours were like normal starts, I feel like.
Yeah,
He
I
liked
never-
this car.
Oh yeah, and I told you he was looking at getting a 124 before he got the 4C. And I told him, I was like, hey, maybe when you upgrade the 500, you know, sell that, get a 124. Like, he seemed like it was a viable option.
Yeah.
Car feels strong tonight. I feel like it would have done real good on the track. It feels fucking strong. All right, let's bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
So, what do we say at the end of videos? Subscribe, hit the like button, smash the like button. Check out Mikey Turbos' channel, who's gonna be in this.
Yeah.
It was a nice, oh my god, hula hand. Shout out to frickin' hula hands over in Parsippany. That fool was banging. All right, that's it. We out.
Alright, good night, y'all.
What are you, Southern?
Y'all.